Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a clinical trial specialist apprentice. The apprenticeship is 5 years long and it's a degree apprenticeship which will lead me to have a bachelor's degree with honours at the end of 5 years. So after my A-levels I went straight into work, originally in retail, and then I moved on to working in a microbiology lab. At that time I decided I wanted to get my degree, and for me it was leave my job and go to university, looking to do an open university alongside the job I was currently in, or look into a new field of work which I was interested in and get my degree alongside it, which of course is my apprenticeship. I really like the idea of staying in work. I like getting a salary, I like the responsibility of work, so I decided it was the best route of action for me. So I originally found out about AstraZeneca through a work colleague of mine who had moved into the company, and they said it was such a great place to work, and I decided to look into it for myself, and I looked into the core values of the company and they strongly aligned with my own core values. I looked at their sustainability goals and it was something that was at the forefront of their mind. So I wanted to do a science degree, so this degree I'm doing alongside my apprenticeship is a bioscience degree. A couple of other ones offered a bioscience degree, but I decided this was the best because I was interested in clinical trials. I liked that there was quite a broad scope on the apprenticeship, so you can learn about many different areas of clinical trials. So you weren't just stuck to one area, there was a lot of rotation involved. So 4 days a week I am performing roles in AstraZeneca. I currently shadow clinical trials directly on the study management side. 1 day a week has to be fully dedicated to university, so you do get plenty of time to complete your studies and your coursework, and of course they give you extra time around your exams to do more study and take your exam. It works really well and there's a lot of support, so I was initially worried about the balance of work and uni and my home life, but they make sure that you do keep that balance and stay on top of your work. So when you first start your apprenticeship, there is a lot of support given to you. From my university, you're given an advisor who has regular contact with you. From AstraZeneca, there was even more support, which was amazing. So you have an apprentice buddy when you first start. Alongside that, within my department, I had a mentor who was introducing me to the role quite slowly, to make sure I was on top of things, to make sure I knew what I was doing so I could take over work as I felt confident to. Just generally, every time I feel like I've contributed to a study, not only do I feel good because I'm an apprentice, I'm still learning, and yet I am helping, I am contributing, I'm a part of the study team. I would like to be able to run my own study once I finish my apprenticeship. That won't be directly after I finish because there's so many components that go into a clinical trial, but that is the end goal for me.